If you're still wondering as to how can you get a 99 plus in DILR, then this short video is really going to be very helpful. This has also been proving to be a very important hack for a lot of students in the last few years. Some of the key 99 percentilers over the last few years have followed one or many of these 5 very important hacks that I'm going to give you now. Do watch it till the end and do let me know how does this feel towards the end of this video as well. This is your friend and guide Cat 99.7. I am Lucknow Sudhanshu and I'm going to talk about what are the 5 most important hacks to help you excel in DILR. First thing, when you're inside a DILR paper, whether it is a mock or a sectional, first step, scan like a grandmaster. Remember, your first step in chess or your first set selection in DILR determines how is your game going to play. Remember, the first step has to be taken absolutely properly. That's the most important defining moment in a DILR paper, and it's okay to spend the first couple of minutes scanning through and deciding which is the set that you would want to take. Remember, it's going to be dependent upon the varieties that you have practiced, the varieties that you have developed interests into, and also the ability to scan the number of direct and indirect info. Familiarity with the set is a great advantage alongside the ability to scan number of dependent and independent information inside a certain set. Point number 1. Point number 2 is structure or visual diagramming. Don't keep the data points in your head. Don't write the data points randomly. It's important to have a clean and clear visual diagramming of what is given inside the set. Without a visual diagram or a structure, it's almost impossible to crack CAT level sets. You can do smaller snap level arrangement problems or NMAT level, but without the right structure, without the right approach, or without a visual diagramming of what is being asked in the set, you are definitely not going to solve that. So that is again very important, and that is what you have to practice to get the structure right for every variety. Remember, a DILR double entry matrix type will have a different variety or a different structure. Let's say a seed based will have a different structure. A missing data table will have a different thought process and structure, and so on and so forth. Second point is getting the visual diagram or the structure right. Third important element, which is again the most important hack, is finding that anchor information. Remember, every set has 1 or 2 anchor pieces. The entire set can be built around those anchors. A good 99 percentile performer is always going to start with that element. So start by identifying the anchor information in your sets. That is something which is what is going to be very crucial in getting the backbone of your DILR set, and you will be able to solve it. The anchor sets or the anchor information typically has more information than any other pieces. That is number 1, and second, also can be characterized by a piece which is a connecting piece between multiple pieces. That is an anchor information. With practice, you can improve that element also. Fourth important element is a threshold. Remember, a DILR set also needs to have a threshold. If you are not moving for, let's say, 2 minutes, then flag the set and move on. Do not keep wasting time unnecessarily. You might want to come back to that set later. Right now, if that flow of ideas in your mind has been stalled, then it is wise to run away. It's not advised to get stuck in that set and waste your time. Finally, fifth and very important hack is a partial solve hack. A lot of questions inside DILR sets are sort of independent and do not require you to solve the entire set. Look for such questions even in sets where you've not solved completely. It's absolutely fine to not be able to solve a certain set and yet do 1 or 2 questions and move on. I'm hoping that you will follow all these 5 hacks, and these are going to effectively help you in improving your DILR. If you want to prepare DILR with us in a proper, structured and a personalized manner, you can start with MBA Litmus DILR Booster course. We have shared the description and details in the chat as well. Thank you so much for joining in. Guys, God bless. I'm hoping that this is helpful and I'm hoping that this helps improve your DILR scores. God bless. This is your friend and guide Sudhanshu signing off for today. Do like the stream and subscribe to MBA Litmus channel for all such amazing videos and support and guidance in the future as well. Take care and bye-bye.